In this video, we're gonna take this image, turn it into that image using Photoshop.
In just 10 minutes.
Okay.
Let's go.
Go to the toolbar and click on File, New Document. You can enter your desired dimensions and click Create to create the new document. Then, we insert the desired image and adjust its dimensions. Select Create Adjustment Layer and choose Gradient, then input the relevant color code for the subject to create the necessary gradient, and then press OK. Set the style to Radial to have the light in the middle of the frame and darker color at the sides, and adjust the scale to achieve the desired color. And reduce the brightness. To create a dark shadow, select a black-colored brush, open a new layer. Click once, and then adjust its dimensions to achieve the desired result. Make a copy of the shadow created and use it for the next part. Use the rectangle tool to draw a square shape behind the subject and then apply the desired settings. To create a glassy effect, use the building options. For better results, follow the tutorial step by step. Now, we want to bring the handle of the sunglasses to the drawn shape. For this, first take another copy of the glasses layer and move its layer beneath the shape. Then, use the lasso tool to select the handle and apply a mask. Repeat this process for the upper layer. Apply a bit of blur to the sunglasses handle layer using the Gaussian blur. Now it's time to add product descriptions.
Hold on. Let me see. Did I subscribe yet?
Thank you. let's continue with the tutorial. To create a bright highlight on the glass surface, use the gradient tool on the glass layer. Now you can add a brand name or any name you like to fill the empty space and complete our design. I recommend using appropriate lighting effects to enhance the final result. You can download lighting effects from the links provided in the description. Furthermore, you can create your desired color for these lighting effects using the hue/saturation option with the shortcut Ctrl+U. Now add the next lighting effect and, like the previous lighting effect, we use hue saturation to change it to our desired color. Finally, to control the color and light and achieve a better result, we merge the layers and use the Ctrl+Shift+A shortcut to enter the camera raw. This is the end of the tutorial, and the result is truly captivating and delightful. Hope you can create exciting images for your products using this tutorial. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll see each other in the next tutorial video. So, until then.
Fight! Fight!